Iindaba nasenjalo baphase bonke abafundi be-PEPS Preparatory and College ePulukwane eLimpopo nge-100% kumatric. Kanakhange bagcine lapho isikole sithole amabhachela ayi-84%. Lokhu kujobona iklasi lika-2021 lisebenze kuhle. Isikole sathoma ukufundisa ngo-1992 ePulukwane. Nonyaka nje sihlanganisa iminyaka ema-30 sabakhona. Indaba ezimnandi ukuthi sebenze kuhle khulu nonyaka nje. Kodwa nakhange kube lula.
We are delighted. These pupils have struggled. They've had 2 years of COVID that they've had to muscle through in order to get these results. Our theme for this year is attitude of gratitude, and we are deeply grateful to our staff for preparing the pupils and to the pupils who have done their hard work.
The teachers had to come up with new ideas and new plans. So at the school we have booking time for the students to book a specific time with the teachers, so that's one-on-one lessons then that they can use. We offer extra maths lessons.
I
feel a bit relieved because this was 12 years of my life that I was in school, and now it's finally over, and it's a bit confusing what I'm going to do next.
It was very difficult, but our school made it very easy for us. They made sure that we were at school as much as possible in a very safe way, so I'm very thankful for that opportunity.
Nakusenjalo, abafundi nababelethi nabotitchere beMasiala Progressive High School eLimpopo bathokozela izinga lokuphasa nge-100% emphumeleni yeklasi lika-2021 yeenkolo zangeqadi. Naseqela iPitori isikolo zangeqadi Wood Hill College East esePitori sebenze kuhle khulu sithole 100%. Kanti kunabafundi abathole ama-distinction alikhomba abafundi bathi basebenze nzima.
I'm just so grateful that I had brilliant teachers, that I had my art teacher who supported me from grade 10, my biology teacher, my science teacher. I really couldn't have done it without them.
Konke lokhu kukubambisana kwabafundi nababelethi bonyana kube nemiphumela emihle kangaka.